Ready? 3, 2, 1, start. As it appears in VGR case number 610 of 2003, upon receipt of a final report from the investigating agency, the learned special judge directed for issuance of notice to the complainant oblique informant inviting his protest oblique objection, if any, to the final report. Stop. Needless to mention that the court competent to take cognizance is not bound by the view expressed by the investigating officer upon completion of investigation. Stop. The court is supposed to form its own opinion on the basis of the materials placed by the investigating officer. Stop. But when the 15/5/2020 magistrate oblique court on receiving the final report directs for inviting protest oblique objection from the informant oblique complainant as against the final report, it is deemed that he did not find any reason to differ with the view expressed by the investigating officer, for which he afforded opportunity to the informant oblique complainant to show reason by way of protest as to why the final report submitted by the investigating officer shall not be accepted. Stop. As per the settled principle of law, if there is receipt any protest from the informant, the court has to deal with the same as per the provision under chapter 15 of the CRPC, which lays down the procedure to be followed by the magistrate on receiving a complaint. Stop. In the VGR case aforesaid, there is neither any protest from the side of the informant nor adherence to the caudal procedure meant for complaint case by the learned court below. Stop. However, wide the order dated 29/8/2011, the learned special judge expressed his view regarding existence of prima facie materials to proceed against the accused petitioners 15/5/2020 for the offences under sections 409 and 420 of IPC and sections 27 within bracket 3 within bracket A and 37 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the Orissa Forest Act 1972, read with section 3A of the Forest within bracket Conservation Act 1980 and simultaneously directed the prosecution to obtain the requisite sanction from the appropriate authority. Stop. This order of the learned court below amounts to review of his earlier order dated 28/10/2006, which is not permissible under law. Stop. Para. Be that as it may, taking of cognizance of offence is a condition requisite for initiation of a proceeding under the CRPC, and in the case at hand, the precondition of sanction for the prosecution having not been obtained cognizance of any offence has not been taken. Stop. To put in other words, no proceeding has been legally instituted against the accused petitioners so as to summon them for appearance. Stop. Over.